everyone. It is Friday. It is the 22nd of March, and I am winding down the vlog for today. So all of my open orders I have packed and are ready for shipment, so I'm going to schedule a pickup for tomorrow. Edit the studio vlog I have not done yet, but that's because I haven't been sitting down at my computer, so I will do that in just a little bit. The newsletter went out today because I did it finally. List pins in the shop and Etsy. I put them on the shop, not Etsy yet, so I'm going to mark that as started. Patreon updates, all kinds of updates coming to Patreon, and I have sent the printables over for this month, or for next month. In March, the April printables are what go out. I also did the birdhouses for the Paint With Me on Sunday. So tomorrow the studio vlog will go up. I've got lunch and sort of a family day, and watercolors. I'm going to be mixing watercolors and doing some dot cards and things like that for the upcoming collection. So let me see. April PDF pages are done. March Patreon, I'm gonna mark that as started. I'm pretty sure that it's done except for one coupon code, but I need to double check on that. So order pigments, entangle shapes, how to April calendar 100-day prep is started. Okay, looks like we may be doing mystical creatures as the next design instead of potion bottles, so I'm going to be working on some of those things this weekend as well. Alright, I think that is going to wrap me up for today. I'm going to mark this off, and I did do the prompt list for Oodles and Doodles challenge. We'll probably be posting that tomorrow. Okay, yeah, that is everything for now. Alright, Alexa, what was the high temperature today?
Today, expect a high of 63 degrees.
She's going to tell me. Nope, she's not going to tell me that I have notifications again. That's awesome, because she told me yesterday. I didn't listen to what she said. I think she said 53. Is that what she said? Alexa, what was the high temperature today? She's not going to tell me again. She's like, honey, I've already told you once. Alexa, what was the high temperature today?
Today, expect a high of 63 degrees.
63. Oopsies. 63. 63. Mild. Let's go with moved here at home, because I've been bouncing all over the studio making a mess. Alright, so next we need to play Savopoly. Alright, Alexa, roll 2 dice, please.
I rolled 2 6-sided dice and got 6 and 2.
Again. Switch it up there, Alexa. Okay, so 6 and 2 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 whole dollars. $2. $2. I can do that. That is for sure. I'm trying to pull the top. I'm sitting here doing this, trying to pull the top off a clicky pen. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. So, let's see. Today, what is going to be my word for today? I'm gonna put orders in Kickstarter, because that's what I worked on all afternoon. So let's go. Well, let's say orders. Nope. Orders is right there. How about Kickstarter? Had I already put that on here somewhere? No? Okay, good. Kick. And a pen that you can't see. Starter. It's the only downside to these pastels in this pack is that y'all can't see half of them, especially on the bullet nib end. Kickstarter for 22. Alright, mood today. Let's go with productive, but first we have to doodle-a-doodle-dude. Okay. So let's see, what can we talk to? Oh, I know there have been several requests for a full-on Zentangle how-to video, and I do plan on doing that. That was on my list for a while, and then I thought if I was gonna do the 100-day challenge, I may not do the actual video and then just do it in the vlog as we go. But I think when I do the 100-day challenge video, which I hope to actually film this weekend, when I do that video, I think I'm going to do like a Zentangle how-to in the process of that video, so you can sort of get started, and I'll show you my sort of go-to tangles. If that sounds like a plan, y'all can let me know. Or if you want its own dedicated video with a bunch of different tangles in it, you can let me know that as well. That'll be today's sort of comment prompt. So, yep. Thinking I'm going to grab a Scribbles That Matter journal, because that is what I think I have on hand. And I'm going to use that to put my step outs in for the 100 days. And I think I'm going to, just in case, use some smooth watercolor paper in case I want to add splashes to whatever piece I do for the big 100 different tangles piece. So I think that's my plan for right now, but of course I will give you the full out thing when we do it. If I have time, I will doodle out a little square of each of the step outs, but it'll be more to trace. It won't be the actual step outs. The step outs will be on the Pinterest board if you want to do them yourself, but if you want something to trace, if I have time, I'm going to try my best to make a printable of some sort, like a PDF with the actual squares of each one in it. So I think that's going to be my plan for now. Alright, sales today was a yes. Instagram, yes. Facebook, yes. Letter, yes. Sketch, yes. Pinterest blog, okay. Cook at home, I just came back in from that. 15-minute clean is a yes. I've been adulting all over the place. Yay. Alright, quality time. Up by Beppa. Definitely Patreon updates was a yes. Skillshare class, some me time, no. Doodle, me time usually comes on Saturdays. No spend was a yes. New product, yes. YouTube videos done for this week. Something crafty and paint, no. I do need to paint something, but that will be on Sunday. I need to do one other thing, and I just haven't done it yet. Alright, and we are back here. So that is going to wrap us up for the week. I will see you again here next week. The studio vlog will go up tomorrow. We're going to do a live hangout, and we're going to paint some birdhouses with my patrons at 2 o'clock on Sunday. And YouTube, we're going to have to see about Mr. King's schedule. If we cannot do the Bob Ross challenge this weekend, we will do it next weekend, and I will do the plan with me this weekend. So just stay tuned to whatever thumbnail pops up, and that will be what we're doing. His schedule got a little funny all of a sudden out of nowhere last night, and so now he can't even attend lunch tomorrow for my son's birthday, and sort of welcome back from college for a week sort of lunch thing that we're having. So he'll be working tomorrow, so I don't know. So one way or another, we'll do it. It may have to be pushed back a week, which actually works because the liquid black is still not here yet. So, and that was the painting that we really wanted to do. So we may have to push that to the weekend of the 29th. I don't know what day it is. 29th, 30th, 31st, 31st. I don't know. Anyway, I'm trying to math in my head and it's not working out very well. Alright, so if you are a member of the newsletter, you got a super special coupon code today to get an extra 10% off. So while everyone who is a member of the newsletter gets 10% off. The people who got today's newsletter got a 20% off coupon code. So if you got that in your mailbox, go and check that out and grab you some enamel pins at a discounted price and some all kinds of other goodies. All right. I love your faces. I will see you back here for the Daily Bullets vlog next week. Yep, subscribe if you haven't already. Give the video a big thumbs up if you found it at all helpful. And until next time, happy journaling. Bye, everyone. Bye to Daryl and bye to Brianna, my little friends.